Your home's electrical system is a silent utility, but its failure can have devastating results. Nationally, electrical failures lead to nearly 50,000 house fires annually, often starting within the walls. You might be ignoring the warning signs, like lights that dim when your microwave turns on. Or perhaps you're constantly resetting the same circuit breaker, dismissing it as a simple annoyance. These are not annoyances, they're alerts. We'll show you the hidden signs and the updated solutions that protect your property. First, listen. Does your electrical panel make a buzzing or humming sound? That noise signals a problem. Next, use your sense of smell. A faint burning odor near an outlet means components are overheating. Finally, your breaker box should never feel warm to the touch. Warmth means a dangerous overload is happening. Many of these warning signs point back to a single root cause: age. If your panel is over 25 years old, it was not made for today's world. Consider the demand from computers, large TVs, and smart appliances. Older panels simply cannot handle this load, creating overload risks. So, ask yourself this: do I know the age of my electrical panel? Because some aren't just old, they are notoriously hazardous. Specifically, panels from brands like Federal Pacific's Stablock and Zinsco are known for catastrophic failures. A breaker's main job is to trip and cut power during an overload. The breakers in these infamous panels often fail to do that. When a breaker fails to trip, the circuit overheats. This intense heat melts wire insulation and can ignite the wood framing inside your walls. Another telltale sign of an outdated system is the two-prong outlet. These are missing a ground wire, a vital safety component. That ground wire gives stray electricity a safe path away from you. Without it, your body can become the path, causing severe shock. But even with modern outlets, technology has improved. So what are the two safety breakers your panel might be missing? The answer is found in two life-saving devices: GFCI and AFCI circuit breakers. They guard against two very different but serious dangers. GFCI, or ground fault circuit interrupter, is for people protection. It senses current flowing the wrong way and cuts power to prevent shocks. AFCI stands for Arc Fault Circuit Interrupter. This is property protection. It detects dangerous sparks in wiring and stops a fire before it starts. Electrical safety standards are not static. The National Electrical Code is updated every 3 years. A professional follows these changes. For instance, a recent update mandates whole home surge protection on new panels, shielding your expensive electronics from power spikes. But what about improper fixes? A double-tapped breaker with two wires on one screw is a common DIY mistake that creates a fire hazard. Putting off repairs doesn't save money. It often results in far more expensive emergency repairs when a major component finally gives out. There is also a hidden expense you pay each month on your utility bill. Outdated and inefficient wiring wastes electricity. Old wiring has higher resistance, which generates heat and causes voltage drops. That heat is literally energy you pay for but cannot use. So the risks affect both your safety and your finances. How does a professional upgrade transform these liabilities into assets? Recall the flickering lights? That's a symptom of unstable, inefficient power. Repairing the wiring stops the flicker and the energy waste. A home with a modern panel, complete with GFCI and AFCI breakers, is not just safer, it is more valuable and passes inspections easily. A modern electrical system is also the foundation for the future, enabling smart home integrations and EV chargers that old panels can't support. Therefore, an electrical upgrade is a single investment in safety from fire and shock, lower energy bills, and a higher property value. The warning signs are present in the sounds, smells, and age of your electrical system. Ignoring them is a gamble. However, the solutions are also clear. Modern breakers and updated wiring that meet the latest codes are necessary protections. You do not have to be an electrician, but you need to call one. A professional inspection is the only way to know what's behind your walls. Protect your home, your family, and your investment. Do not wait for a warning to become a disaster. Schedule an electrical safety assessment today.